So why didn't
You.
I just want to be one of you guys.
You have no idea who I am, do you?
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are. You always have.
Oh, yeah.
I need you all to see this. I'm gonna kill you, Dragon.
Why didn't you?
Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
That nonsense dies now.
What is he doing?
Starting with you.
Especially you.
What are you doing now? Get inside!
Some kind of a joke to
You're
you.
not faking. Oh, don't feel too badly. You tried your best.
Stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
Figure out which side you're on.
Or throw your lot in with them.
You are nothing without your dragon.
You're not my son.
You can't lift a hammer, you can't swing an axe, you can't even throw one of these.
Well, you're right. You're back to where you started.
Why don't you just fly away?
You must feel horrible. You've lost everything.
Always said you'd become the strongest of them all.
Father, your tribe, your best friend.
Just let me show you.
But I was the first to believe in you.
I'm not the chief.
Yes, that's it. Stop being all of you.
I am the person I am today because of you.
That is who you are, son. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together.
So, what are you gonna do about it?
Thank you for summing that up.